Welcome students. This is your science period and I Sangeeta welcome you all for this period. Today we are going to discuss the topic that is feeding habits of animals. This is chapter number 6 children and we will do topic and the topic for the today is omnivorous animal. You have already learnt about herbivorous animals and carnivorous animals, and today we will discuss omnivorous animals. Now, what are omnivorous animals? Before coming to this topic, children, the name of the chapter is Feeding Habits of Animal. Now, what do you mean by feeding habit? Feeding habit means which food they eat. Animals have different eating habits. Okay. And now the omnivorous animals like bear, crow, rat, jackal eat both animals and plants. Such animals are called omnivorous animal. You can see here. And the examples are some pictures are given bear, crow, and rat. You can see in this picture they are eating both plant product and also flesh. So these animals are called omnivorous animals as they eat plants and animals both. You can see in this picture, this is the picture of bear eating plant, and in this picture bear is eating fish, means animal. So bear is omnivorous animal. Feeding habit of different animals. Now, feeding habit of different animals. Different animals eat different types of food. The kind of food they eat depends on upon the shape of their mouth, jaws, and teeth. It means eating habits of different animals are different. First, some animals swallow their food. Frog, lizard, and snake do not use teeth to bite or chew the food. Frogs and lizards catch their prey with the help of a sticky tongue. The snake can open its mouth very wide to swallow its prey. These animals do so without chewing it, and they swallow their food directly from the mouth. When a frog catches an insect, it throws its sticky tongue out of the mouth and wrap it around a prey. And do you know, snakes can eat animals which are bigger than them in size. You can see in this picture, snake swallow their prey without chewing or cutting. They just swallow. Some animals chew the cud. Now, what is cud? Cud is a portion of food that returns from an animal's stomach to the mouth. Now, we will read this. Some animals like cow, buffalo, and camel first nibble their food and put it inside their bodies. When they relax, they bring back part of the food from inside into their mouth, then they chew it properly. This is called chewing the cud. Cud chewing animals like cow, buffalo, they slowly chew their partly digested food over and over again and again in their mouth, and after chewing it properly, they finally swallow it. And you know, cud is the portion of the food that bring back from the stomach to the mouth. You can see in this picture cow, camel. These are cud chewing animals. These animals have very strong and broad back teeth because these teeth help them for chewing the food. That's why these animals have strong, broad back teeth. You can see in this picture, camel is a herbivorous animal and cud chewing animal. When they relax, they just chew it over and over again and again. And this is called chewing the cud. It's a picture of cow. Now, next point is the feeding habit of animals we are reading. And the third point is some animals tear their food. You can see in this picture these animals first tear their food with the help of their sharp pointed teeth. You can see in this picture lion and dog, they are tearing flesh. Animals like lion, dog, fox and cat first tear the flesh with their sharp pointed front teeth. They then chew it with their grinding teeth. These animals have long pointed teeth to grip their prey, and also they have sharp teeth for cutting meat. Children, our teeth in humans are much better suited for eating fruits, vegetables, but not tearing and chewing the flesh. We have small canine teeth. You can see in the picture the sharp pointed teeth. It is used for tearing the flesh. This is all about today topic, children. Omnivorous animal, feeding habits of animal. 3 point I have discussed just now, and this is your classwork. The classwork is name this. You have to write 2 examples: herbivorous animal, carnivorous, omnivorous, cud chewing animals, and animals that swallow their food. You have to write the name of 2 animals. B. Draw one omnivorous animal, either bear or rat. This is your classwork, children. And now come to your home assignment. From chapter number 6, choose the appropriate answer. You have to read the question and write down the correct answer. This animal has sticky tongue. Animal eating both plants and animals. Fox tear the flesh with. An example of animal showing chewing the cud. You have to choose the correct answer. Have a great day, children. Thank you all.